Hello internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a website where you can buy many products on really good prices. So basically it's a bidding auction website, yet it has still a lot of room where you can actually buy a lot of good stuff. So for instance, you wanna go and check in this lot. I'm gonna tell you the entire procedure how to do that. So this is the website ID, mackenzie.highbid.com/auctions, and what we're going to do is I'm also going to leave the link of this website in my description box below, so you can go and check it out. Basically it's a Canadian auction website, so if you're from Canada it's going to help you a lot. So let's see what do we have in auction for um, 25th of June. Today is 19th June, so this auction will close on 25th. Bidding is open as you can see here, and let's go and see. Okay, first of all, the lot number one says do not bid, information only, stop, read terms and conditions before bidding. So you need to go, basically the terms and conditions of this website are that you have to pay the shipping prices and stuff like that. Okay, we have some IRIS US legal size file box, 3 pieces, and for now the bidding says it's for $7. Let's go and see, since I'm not aware what this product actually is, so I'm gonna go and search the actual price of this product. So basically four of them are available on Amazon for 53.69. So it's a very good purchase, and you can resell it on either eBay or your Facebook marketplace. You can also earn money by buying, but you have to see the shipping cost and everything. Okay, then we have this rocking stuff for babies. This one, I'm gonna scroll down and see what other stuffs are available. So I just wanted to bring this website into your attention because I actually have been buying a lot of things for my personal use, and also came across some of them, as you know, they most of them are in very good condition. So okay, this one is very interesting. Close made adjustable 8-tier wall and door rack. This one, and what's the actual price of this? We can just search it on Google, and the actual price is the 8 for the 18 rack, right? So we are gonna see the price on Walmart. Was it 18 rack? 8 tier, yes. Okay, it was 8 tier, and the price is, I cannot see the price. It's not available even. So it makes it really interesting too. So you can just, I'm just showing you the method how you can go and look into the price. And there are a lot of good products, like this tricycle bicycle trailer. It's from this company. I cannot pronounce it properly, so I'm not gonna take the risk. Okay, it's around, like you can see, 259, and right now the highest bid is 130, so you can buy this one. Okay, and then we have a projector screen here, and again, for me it's important to see the price of the product before placing a bid. So now let me tell you how you can actually bid here. For example, this Amelia dollhouse is $3 here. So for example, if you don't want to bid but you want to uh, keep it in your reminder note, you just press this star button, and then it becomes an X. If you press this X, it becomes star again. If you press the star, it goes into your watch list. And for example, I'm gonna like put a few of them in my watch list to demonstrate how to actually finalize, how I finalize my items before buying. So then you go up and you press this watches. It will take you to this page where you can see all the things that you have uh, you know uh, you're watching, and they can tell you the prices and the date when it's gonna end and all that stuff. And since we have not placed a bid on it, it says my total is 0, and the highest bid I'm willing to pay for all this product is still zero because I'm just watching them right now. I have not placed a bid. So when you will actually place the bid on this, it will actually show the amount as well. Alright, scrolling down again, you can go to the next page, and there are a lot of lots coming every day, and all of them are useful in one way or the other. So this is a very useful website you can make use of. Even you can see some sofas here. This seems really nice. The actual price is around this is 439 for two-seater, and here we have the three-seater, so of course it's going to be, no, this is the three-seater 639, and right now it's at $67 and 27 people have already placed their bid, and 2 days and 2 hours are left for this auction to be closed. So you can just place it in your watch list for later on to see where the price is going, and then you can pay by your credit cards, and they usually accept major credit cards. Um, all of the things are in whatever condition they are not returnable. So that's one risk that you'll be taking while placing the bids, and sometimes you do get really good items at good price, sometimes it's not that good, and that's how online stuff works actually. Okay, I'm on page number 4 right now. Here you can even see chandeliers and a lot of electronics, baby stuff. This is a bouncer that I'm looking for because I'm about to get a new baby coming soon in my home. And this is a play tent house. My daughter has been asking for it, but I've already ordered from somewhere else. So you often just find things that you actually need. And this is a very good brand. Just right now it's for $4. Let's see what its actual price is. Just for giving your home a clean look, you can just get this one in your this, you can see the prices over here are pretty on the higher end, and here it's available for just $4 at the moment, but we have to see where it ends. So again, if you do not want to use it for yourself, you could always go and use it for, you can sell it and make some money on it. Like you can sell it on either eBay, or you can sell it on your Facebook marketplace. I see a lot of car seats, and they are always in very good condition. I also ordered two of them for my personal use for my big kids, and I'm still using them, and they were in just brand new. The box was a bit not in great condition, but the product was just brand new. Okay, what is this? I'm also looking for this one. Adjustable portable laptop desk cart. So let's see what's its price is. It's around 54. Let me see which one is this. It's the black one, and it is Sogi's. So let's see Sogi's. It's like this one, right? Let me see if they have it in the black. Okay, it looks the same as this one. Does it or not? Oh, where did it go? Yep, it's here. So I think it's the same as, yep, it's the same. Okay, what's the size of it? The size is 60 centimeter, and here they have it as 31. So let's see, 60 centimeters, how many inches? It's I mean 60, not 6, man. Yeah, 23. So let's see. It was this one, the smaller one. 23 centimeters, pretty small. Okay, I don't want the 20, I wanted the bigger one, and the price for the bigger one is 69 and the price for smaller one is 59, and here we have it for 4. So I'm gonna put it in my watch list for now and gonna see if I'm still interested in buying it. Okay. You can also, use these rods, the curtain rods, to just give a change and a fresh look to your place at really low price. The vacuum cleaner, I also bought one of the Debbie's, smart vacuum cleaner, which is cordless. Oh, sorry, not copy. I wanted to search it for the price, and it's 159. So right there is available for $29 here. Okay, yeah, so I'm still using that vacuum cleaner. I was not very happy with the functionality because I thought the suction would be very hard, but I'm not sure if it's the thing that I received having an error, or is it actually the product that works like this. So it was this, like this one, the vacuum cleaner that I bought, but cordless, and it was not Shark, it was another company, Debbie. Okay, so you can see that you actually get to see many products that you would either want for yourself or you would want to resell. So in both cases, it's a win-win. Other than the functionality, or you can say condition, they are usually returns from customers, so they might not be in a brand new condition but open box condition, or some of them might even be slightly used. So that is the risk that you have to take. Okay, trampoline pro net is also available, just the net, not the entire trampoline. Especially if you have kids at home, this can be a great site for you to buy stuff. Skateboards, just a gift for your children. I'm just showing you all the products because I'm just kind of, sometimes I feel like I'm addicted to see this website, even if I'm not buying. But at the end of the day, when you're seeing all these things, you actually end up buying too. So this is just wood platform, $22. Usually it's around 100 or 150, I think. Then we have Costco funds for deluxe. This is something people are really interested to buy at times, and the price is around $100, and right now it's standing at $30. So you can either sell it or have personal use. An accent table besides bedside. uh, we have a piano, we have strollers, we have high chairs. Okay, so like almost all sort of products you can imagine, even headphones. I have been using a lot of headphones from this website. Some of them are in good condition, some are not. And again, as I said, you have to take the risk with electronics for sure, because it's hard to find good electronics like this. uh, so it's your choice if you want to take that risk or not. You'll also find some utter boxes. I also bought some utter boxes earlier and sold several of them at really good price because they are in the box. They're in like new condition, not new, because the box is open. Here you can also see a microwave, and if you want to have a new microwave, this can be a good place to buy it. So guys, this is the entire website I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for further videos. Until next time, take care, bye.